Welcome to Hospitality School.
Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of www.hospitalityschool.com. In our today's episode, you will learn everything you need to know about
how to clean and inspect guest bathroom. For any hotel housekeeping professional, knowing perfect bathroom cleaning procedure is very important, and at the same time you should learn how to inspect bathroom properly, so that no complaint from guest could arise. I hope this tutorial on cleaning and inspecting guest bathroom will help you to become expert on this topic. You will get to know from this video the procedures that are applied for cleaning guest bathroom, and the actions that are performed by the housekeeping staffs while inspecting bathroom. Cleaning guest bathroom. To clean the guest bathroom, certain procedures are executed by the housekeeping staffs, so as to ensure that proper method has been applied with the right chemical to the right surfaces. Here are the followings. Enter the bathroom and check the following items. Collect all the used towels from the bathroom. Check for other soiled linen. Clean the bathroom dustbin. Collect leftover rubbish in the bathroom, if any. Check all electrical items and other bathroom items to ensure that all items are in a good condition, such as lights, devices, water taps, bidet, shower head. Clean and wipe all necessary bathroom fittings to ensure sparkling and shiny ambience in the bathroom.
Please pause the video and click on this subscribe button.
Apply the correct cleaning chemical to brush up the toilet bowl and flush it down appropriately. Check to ensure that the flush is working well and the water flows without blockages. Brush up the shower cubicle properly and wipe it dry. Wipe glass screen at the shower cubicle using right chemical. Clean and wash the bathroom floor duly and check the following items are not left behind on the floor, such as dust, rubbish, watermarks, chemical residue, hair. Arrange all required bathroom amenities in the bathroom and place it in the bathroom in accordance with the hotel policy. Replenish all clean linen and other items when necessary. Before leaving the bathroom, give a final look to make sure that all items are clean and in good condition. Report to maintenance department if there is any defect. Inspecting guest bathroom. Housekeeping staffs perform the following actions accordingly for inspecting the guest bathroom as follows. To ensure that all equipment and facilities are cleaned and in good order, check for the following. Light and switch at the entrance of the bathroom are working properly. Inner and outer body of door including top, bottom and side edges are clean and shiny. Frame including outer edges, upper edges and inner edges are in good condition and free of dust. Door knobs and locks are in working order. Bathroom wall paint and mirror are free of spots or marks. Hinges and ventilation are neat and clean. Wall lights including the insides of the shade are free of dust and spots. Sockets and plate are clean and firmly fixed to the wall. Cover plate and electric shaver plate are free of dust and soil. Faucets are polished having no water marks. Overflow and inner rim are cleaned. Joints are free of dirt. Hand basins are properly cleaned. Stopper is shiny and free of mold or residue. All guest supplies and amenities are neatly arranged and in good condition. Replenish all guest items according to the hotel standards. All pipes and bathroom tiles are clean and free of dust or other residue. All chrome fixtures are cleaned and polished duly. Ensure that no lime scale and soaps build up and no mold on grouting. Toilet seats, covers, and bowls are cleaned with no residue left. Bathroom floor is clean and dry, and marble is shiny. Visit our website, hospitalityschool.com, to download training manuals, PowerPoints, videos and read 200+ hotel and restaurant management training tutorials. Attention, listen very carefully. To read this tutorial from website, click here. To watch food and beverage service training videos, click here. Again, to watch housekeeping training videos, click here. And last but not least, to watch front office training videos, click here.